Good afternoon, warm welcome. This is Define, and you are watching TSL. So, friends, in front of us we have got a stock of Ajanta Pharma Limited, and what you are seeing is a daily chart. Here you can see the stock is making a higher lows formation, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows formation, higher high and higher low. As per Dow 3, this is considered to be a good pattern. Higher highs, higher lows means the stock is in a uptrending motion. So it has to respect this trend line. Now the geopolitical situation is not good, as we all know, the war which is going on between Iran and Israel. So even if the stock falls, today we are seeing a fall of 2.74% in the stock. Even if the stock falls, it should take somewhere support at this trend line. If this breaks this trend line, then we can see a meaningful correction in the stock. So as long as the stock is maintaining, as long as it's maintaining and as long as the stock is above this trend line, then we can be little bit relaxed. And here you can see the stock is taken multiple times at this is a 50-day SMA. This green line is a 50-day SMA. Here it has taken support at 50-day SMA. Here also it has taken, and the 50-day SMA also coincides with this trend line itself. So it has to take. Now we will switch off the 50-day SMA for some time. Now we will see what is the super trend of the stock has to say. Whether we will see whether the super trend is positive or negative. We have not switched on the data, so naturally it is not going to come. So we will see whether its super trend is positive or negative. At the same time, we will also see whether now we see the super trend is positive. The super trend will remain positive as long as it is about 2819. 2819. If the stock falls below 2819, then its super trend will become negative, and moreover here you can see it is coinciding with our trend line also. So the trend line is also at the same level. I am talking about this 2819. If the stock falls below 2819, then our super trend will become negative, and here you can see it is coinciding with this also, what with trend line also, right? So it is a positive for us. The stock is super trend is positive, and moreover the stock is trading above its 20-day SMA also. The 20-day SMA is 2979. 2979 is a 20-day SMA. So this will be your first way to watch. The stock should not fall 2971. Even if it falls, it should take support at super trend. That is 2879. If it breaks this both levels, this is your S1 and this is your S2. 2879 is S1 and 2819 is your S2. If it breaks these two levels, then you can see a meaningful correction. Then it can come to as low as its recent swing low, right? If the geopolitical situation worsens, यदि geopolitical situations और खराब होता है, then anything can happen in the market. हो सकता है that it can happen to this swing low also. So these are few positives for the stock. The stock is trading about 20-day SMA. The stock is its super trend is positive. And stock is above 50-day SMA also. 50-day SMA के ऊपर भी stock है. And as far as TMI is concerned, we will see whether DI positive is above or DI negative is above, and we will see what is the relation between both of them. And now we have switched off. Here you can see the ADX value is 21. The value of ADX 21. That's okay. No issue with value. And DI positive is above DI negative. This blue line is DI positive. This 29, this is DI positive, and this orange line is DI negative. So DI positive is about DI negative, so that is a good sign for the stock. So ADX is 21, no issues with the. And as far as RSI is concerned, RSI is above 50 but is sloping downwards. That is the issue. 50 के ऊपर है लेकिन नीचे की तरफ आ रहा है, तो it should take 50 में the RSI should take support at 50 and then should move upwards. यदि और नीचे जाता है तो then थोड़ा चिंता का विषय हो सकता है. एज फार एज ADX इज कंसर्न, ADX जीरो के ऊपर है. ये जीरो लाइन है आपका, जीरो लाइन के ऊपर है, और ADX जो बैगडी लाइन है सिग्नल लाइन के ऊपर है. सो ओके, नो इश्यूज. ये सब ज़्यादा मैटर नहीं करता है. अभी जो सिचुएशन है, अभी सिचुएशन में दो तीन चीज़ें मैटर करता है कि जो ईरान और इसराइल के बीच में जो वार चल रहा है कितने दिन रुकता है, ये कब खत्म होता है. दैट इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच यू वांट फॉर. और दूसरा चीज़ जो आपको ध्यान रखना है, दैट इज योर क्रूड ऑयल. क्रूड ऑयल अभी भी मतलब 100 के ऊपर चल रहा है. 3 डिजिट पे आपका क्रूड ऑयल चल रहा है. तो यदि ज़्यादा दिन तक 100 के ऊपर सस्टेन क्रूड ऑयल करता है तो देन दैट इज नॉट एट ऑल अ गुड साइन फॉर द मार्केट्स. ठीक है ना. और ये युद्ध कब खत्म होता है. दिस आर द फ्यू थिंग्स विच वुड वॉच आउट फॉर. बस. और जो आपको मैंने आपको S1 S2 दे दिया है, आपका सपोर्ट 1 और सपोर्ट 2, जैसे मैंने आपको और एक बार मैं रिपीट कर देता हूँ, जो आपका S1 रहेगा 27, आपका जो S1 रहेगा वाई इट इज नॉट कमिंग, आपका S1 रहेगा जो 2979.11 है विच इज 20 डे SMA, ठीक है ना। और जो आपका S2 रहेगा डेट इज 2819 जो कि सुपर ट्रेंड है, सुपर ट्रेंड का जो बेस है, ठीक है ना। अभी आ गया जो ये आपका ये 297 है, ये आपका S1 है, और ये 2819 ये आपका S2 है। यहाँ पे देखो तो ये आपका S1 है, ये जो, और जो ये जो बेस है सुपर ट्रेंड का, ये आपका S2 है, ठीक है। और ये आपको ध्यान देना है कि ये आपका जो ट्रेंड लाइन है, इस ट्रेंड लाइन को ये हर हालत में रेस्पेक्ट कर रहा है, इस ट्रेंड लाइन को ब्रीच नहीं करना चाहिए। यदि ये ब्रीच कर दिया तो देन आपको इसमें एक अच्छी गिरावट देखने को मिल सकती है दोस्तों। फिर आज के लिए इतना रखते हैं दोस्तों, फिर किसी वीडियो मिलेंगे। और दोस्तों हमारा जो व्हाट इज रिकॉर्ड 2026 के नाम से हमारा वी आर गोइंग टू कंडक्ट ये तो दोस्तों फिर आज के लिए इतना रखते हैं। फिर कभी वीडियो मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया, अपना ख्याल रखिए और अपनों का भी ख्याल रखिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।